is everyone doing today? I hope everybody is ready for another Super Bowl recipe for your Super Bowl menu. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Easy Chipotle Cheddar Cheese Beef Chili. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. I have in here gochujang, tomato paste, minced scallions, chopped fresh cilantro. In this cup here, I have red Poblano chili pepper, and I have the green chili peppers diced up. Beef broth, chipotle powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, soy sauce, minced onion, shredded cheddar cheese, crushed fire roasted tomatoes. I'm using black beans and red kidney beans and the ground beef and also cream cheese. Now I have a large cast iron Dutch oven and I'm going to turn it on medium, high. And the first thing we're going to do is add the ground beef. And we're going to let the ground beef cook. Cover it up and let it cook. Oh, yes, and I also forgot to tell you, I have in this cup here chili powder and cumin. Let's see if it's time for all the ingredients to jump in the pot. Now I'm adding the beans in. The beans gonna jump in the pot. Get it out there. As we add everything in, we stir it up. Now I'm going to let this simmer for about an hour, but you can cook this chili for a couple of hours if you like on low, slow cook it. Now let's take a look and see how the chili is coming along. Look at the chili jumping in the pot. Give it a few stirs. Then we're going to cover it up and let it cook some more. Now it's time for us to add the cream cheese. This is because it balanced the heat from the chili paste. All right, that's too much. Trust me here. Now we stir everything up so all the flavors can come together. Then I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the toppings. The shredded cheddar, the green scallions, the cilantro, There you have it. Easy Chipotle Cheddar Beef Chili. Oh. Enjoy another great Super Bowl dish. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.